MBA Crash Course on Cross-Border Transactions and International Taxation. Cross-border transactions and international taxation involve the intricacies of conducting business across borders and managing tax obligations in a global context. It encompasses understanding international tax laws, treaties, transfer pricing, foreign investments, and the implications of cross-border transactions. Now, let's explore some of the key aspects of cross-border transactions and international taxation. International tax framework. Understanding the basic principles and frameworks of international taxation, including residency rules, permanent establishment concepts, and double taxation treaties. Transfer pricing. Analyzing and determining appropriate transfer prices for transactions between related entities in different countries to ensure compliance with tax laws and avoid transfer pricing disputes. Foreign direct investment. Evaluating the tax implications and considerations associated with foreign direct investments, including tax incentives, repatriation of profits, and managing foreign tax credits. Tax planning and optimization. Developing tax-efficient structures and strategies to optimize international operations, such as utilizing tax havens, tax treaties, and legal tax planning techniques. Withholding taxes. Understanding the rules and regulations regarding withholding taxes on cross-border payments, including dividends, interest, royalties, and service fees. Anti-avoidance measures. Navigating the complexities of anti-avoidance measures implemented by tax authorities to prevent tax evasion and aggressive tax planning, such as controlled foreign company rules and general anti-avoidance rules. Value-added tax, VAT. Familiarizing with VAT systems in different countries, including the registration, compliance, and reporting requirements for cross-border transactions involving goods and services. Tax compliance and reporting. Ensuring compliance with various tax reporting obligations, including filing requirements for foreign entities, country-by-country reporting, and transfer pricing documentation. Tax treaties. Understanding the provisions and benefits of tax treaties between countries, such as the elimination of double taxation, prevention of tax evasion, and resolution of tax disputes. Repatriation of profits. Exploring strategies to repatriate profits from foreign subsidiaries while minimizing tax implications, including dividend planning, intercompany financing, and profit repatriation techniques. Cross-border mergers and acquisitions. Evaluating the tax implications of cross-border mergers and acquisitions, including structuring considerations, due diligence, and post-transaction integration. Compliance with international standards. Staying updated with international tax standards, such as the Base Erosion and Profit Shifting (BEPS) project by the OECD, and ensuring compliance with reporting requirements and tax transparency initiatives. In summary, cross-border transactions and international taxation present unique challenges and opportunities for businesses operating in a global context. By understanding international tax laws, transfer pricing regulations, tax planning strategies, and compliance requirements, businesses can navigate cross-border transactions effectively and manage their tax obligations efficiently. Here's a short poem and a song inspired by the topic of cross-border transactions and international taxation. Poem. In the realm where borders fade, where commerce thrives and deals are made, crossing nations, transactions soar, international tax at the core, transfer prices, carefully set, to avoid disputes and tax regret. Foreign investments, opportunities grand. Navigating tax laws, hand in hand. Withholding taxes, payments flow. Understanding rules, compliance we know. Tax planning strategies, structures we build. Optimizing operations, laws fulfilled. Tax treaties, bridges of relief. Double taxation, we shall brief. Repatriating profits, strategic play. Navigating complexities, day by day. VAT systems, compliance maintained. Reporting obligations, knowledge ingrained. Mergers and acquisitions, cross-border dance. Structuring deals, seizing the chance. In this realm of international tax, we navigate complexities, avoiding cracks. Cross-border transactions, a global play. International taxation, lighting the way. Song. Verse 1. In a world where borders blend, cross-border transactions, rules we must transcend. International taxation, complexities arise. Navigating the landscape, we're worldly wise. Chorus. Crossing nations, making deals. International tax, the heart reveals. Transfer pricing, compliance strong. Building bridges, where we belong. Verse 2. Withholding taxes, payments flow. Navigating rules, ensuring we know. Tax planning strategies, optimization key. Managing cross-border complexities, we're tax savvy. Chorus. Crossing nations, making deals. International tax, the heart reveals. Transfer pricing, compliance strong. Building bridges, where we belong. Bridge. Tax treaties guide our way. Eliminating double taxation, we say. Repatriating profits, smart and sound. Navigating international tax, we're bound. Chorus. Crossing nations, making deals. International tax, the heart reveals. Transfer pricing, compliance strong. Building bridges, where we belong. Outrow. In the realm of cross-border transactions, we thrive. Navigating international tax, we strive. Building bridges, connecting the world. Cross-border business, our flag unfurled. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our InHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.